Hi, I'm Lisa from Evolve Wellness Health Coaching. The Station Public Library asked me to put together a quick video on plant-based nutrition. So when we say plant-based eating or plant-based nutrition, what comes to mind? I know that for me, before I knew anything about this, if you said plants, I would think of this. This is lemongrass. I'm going to plant this in my garden in a little while. Or maybe I thought of seeds as plants, and they are. Or I thought of flowers. I never really connected this idea that there were plants on my plate and I was eating them. But when you think about it, you really are. Onions are plants. Apples are plants. Garlic, shallots are plants. Bananas, all of these things are plants. You're eating them right now. How do I do this? That is the question I get very often from most of my clients. So I really want to simplify it for you. You could get really caught up in all those different names, flexitarian, vegan, vegetarian, all these different types of ideas about how to eat. What I say to you is just eat plants. Start adding them to your plate. Now, how do you do that? Well, I want you to think about adding in. So instead of saying, I'm going to be losing out on this, or I have to have less of this, just think about adding in more apples, adding in more nuts, adding in more seeds, adding in more vegetables. This is the way to do it. And you're kind of crowding out some of the stuff that you're trying to move away from, whatever is for your health and wellness that you need. The other thing that you can do, a lot of people tell me they would like to eat less meat. So what I say is stick to a standard portion. Remove the fingers from your hand, not for real, but look at your palm. That is a serving, and use that as a serving. The other thing is that think of meat as a condiment. In our culture, we plop a big turkey in the middle of the table, and then we have some, trimmings, maybe some carrots, maybe some string beans. Flip that. The meat is the condiment, and the main course is the plant, like a big cauliflower roast or a big vegetarian stew. Or there's different ways. So get excited about adding plants in that way. So people ask me all the time, what do you eat? Or what's in your pantry? And I can't tell you because it differs day to day, and I'm kind of one of these cooks who just opens up the refrigerator, pulls things out, and there's a meal. Although I do like recipes too. But I'm just going to show you the plants that are in my pantry. So there's the steel-cut oats, I got cannellini beans, garbanzo beans, salsa, black beans, canned beans, rice, all kinds of different things. I didn't pull out my entire pantry, but some tips that I want to give you for how do I make this easier for myself? So first of all, you can batch cook. You can make large quantities of these foods, even your steel-cut oats, or maybe a roasted tray of veggies that you freeze or you put into another meal. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. You can buy pre-cooked brown rice or pre-cooked quinoa to make things easier for you. And I love the pre-spiralized zucchini and the pre-cut frozen and canned. No, it doesn't matter how you get your vegetable. Don't obsess over the analysis of nutrition and the details. Just eat your veggies. Just eat your plants. I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, please put them into the comment section and I would be happy to answer them for you.